See students, now we shall start practice set 1.4. In this exercise, the variables are in the denominator x, y, x, y. See this second sum. In denominator x plus y, x minus y. So how to solve these type of sums? We shall see these sums now. First you take practice set 1.4, question number 1, first sum. We shall start with this sum now. What is this first sum? See, this is our first equation. This is our second equation. Here see the variables are present in denominator. Now what we shall do here? We shall use substitution. Put 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. See 1 upon x we shall take it as a and 1 upon y as b. Now our first equation will become 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. We shall give this the name equation number 3, and this equation will become 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. We shall give this the name equation number 4. So what we have done here, we shall kept this 2 as it is, and instead of 1 upon x we have written a, 3 as it is, instead of 1 upon y we have written b. Same thing in this second equation also we have done. Now say here we are having 2a, here 8a. Now we shall multiply equation 3 by 4. So write here, multiply equation 3 by 4. What we get? 8a, 4 into 3 minus 12b, 4 into 15, 60. We got equation number 5. Now see this equation 4 and equation 5. In these two equations what you can see? The coefficients of A are same, so we have to subtract them. So subtract equation 5 from equation 4. What we get? 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. Now subtract means you have to change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and again plus will become minus. Now see here 8a minus 8a will get cancelled. 5 plus 12, here we get 17b minus 60, here we get 17. So the value of b is 17 upon 17, or we get b is equal to 1. We got the value of b as 1. Now substitute this value of b in equation 3 we shall substitute. Substitute in equation 3. If we substitute in equation 3, what we get? 2a minus 3b equal to 15. So 2a minus 3b is 1 is equal to 15. Or we get 2a is equal to, this minus 3 going to right side, we get plus 3, or we get 2a is equal to 18. Therefore a is equal to 18 upon 2, or that is equal to 9. We got the value of a equal to 9. So we got the value of b as 1 and a equal to 9. But now our sum is not over. We want to find the value of x and y. So what we shall here? We shall resubstitute. So next step we shall write here, resubstitute the values of A and B. Let's substitute the values of A and B. So value of A is how much we got here? Value of A we got 9. इसमें substitute करेंगे हम. So put A is equal to 9. A का value कितना है लेकिन? What is A? A is 1 upon x. Therefore we get 1 upon x is equal to 9, or we get x is equal to how much? 1 upon 9. Now value of B is equal to 1. Therefore 1 upon y is equal to 1. Therefore y will also be equal to 1. Therefore our solution is x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. See question 2. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is minus 2. Here substitution we shall use. Put 1 upon x plus y is equal to A, and 1 upon x minus y we shall take it as B. Now our equation will become, see this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. 1 upon x plus y if we are taking as A, what we get here? Our equation will become 10A plus 2B is equal to 4. This is our third equation, and this will become 15A minus 5B is equal to minus 2. This is our equation number 4. Now see here 10, here 15. Here 2, here minus 5. We shall do one thing. Now what we shall do here? Multiply equation 3 by 5 and 4 by 2. Here we get 5 into 10, 50A plus 10B is equal to 20. And here if we are multiplying by 2, we get 30A minus 10B into 2 means this will become minus 4. This is our equation 5 and this is our equation 6. Now we got here plus 10B, here minus 10B. Now what we shall do here? Add equation 5 and equation 6. If we add, what we get here? We get 50A plus 10B is equal to 20. 30A minus 10B is equal to minus 4. दोनों को प्लस किया तो प्लस 10B minus 10B cancelled. Here we get 80A. 20 minus 4 is 16. Or we get A is equal to 16 upon 80. Or we get A equal to 16 5s are 80. We got the value of A as 1 upon 5. A equal to 16 upon 80, we get A equal to 1 upon 5. Now next step what we shall do? Substitute A equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 3. Substitute in equation 3. We shall substitute in equation 3. What we get? 10A यानी कि 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2B. 10A plus 2B is equal to 4. So 10A plus 2B is equal to 4. 10 into 1 upon 5 means this will become 2 plus 2B is equal to 4. Or we get 2B is equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Or we get B equal to 2 upon 2. Therefore, we got the value of B as 1. The value of B we are getting 1. We got B equal to 1. We got the value of A and B, but we have to find the value of X and Y. So next part of the sum, what we shall do here? We shall resubstitute the value of A and B. See, a is equal to what? 1 upon x plus y. So write here 1 upon x plus y is equal to a means 1 upon 5. By invertendo what we get? We get x plus y is equal to 5. The value of b is 1 upon x minus y. We get 1 minus x minus y is equal to 1. Again by invertendo we get x minus y is equal to 1. We got this as equation 7 and this is our equation 8. Now plus y minus y. Add equation 7 and equation 8. What we get? X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. दोनों को ऐड किया तो प्लस y माइनस y will get cancelled. We get 2x is equal to 6 or we get x is equal to 6 upon 2 or we get x is equal to 3. In the same way substitute in equation 7. Substitute in equation 7 what we get? X plus y is equal to 5, x equal to 3. What we get? We get 3 plus y equal to 5. So y is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. So the value of y is 2. So our solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Next, take question number 3. See in question number 3, 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. And second equation is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Here we shall put 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. So our equation will become 27a plus 31b equal to 85. Here 31a plus 27b equal to 89. See, this is equation 1, equation 2, and now we have got equation 3, equation 4. Now see this sum. Here the coefficients are interchanged, 31, 31, 27, 27. So here first what we shall do? First we shall add, then subtract and again add. ASA. ये trick याद रखने का. This type of sum we have previously done. Now here add equation 3 and equation 4. What we get here? 27a plus 31b equal to 85. 31a plus 27b equal to 89. If we add this both equation, what we get here? 3 plus 2, 5. 58a plus 58b is equal to 174. Now we shall divide by 58. If we divide by 58, here we get a plus b. 58 will go here 3 times. A plus b equal to 3. Write this as equation number 5. We got the value of a plus b. Next step we shall subtract. Subtract 3 from 4. Subtract equation 3 from equation 4 we shall do. So what we get here? 31a plus 27b equal to 89. Here we get 27a plus 31b equal to 85. Subtract means change the sign, minus, यहाँ पर भी माइनस, यहाँ पर भी माइनस. 31 minus 27, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Here we get 4a, here we get minus 4b is equal to 4. Now here we shall divide by 4. If we divide by 4, what we get here? Divide by 4, we get a minus b is equal to 1. See, we got the value of a plus b, we got the value of a minus b. Now, we shall solve these two equations, add 5 and 6. We write here, add equation 5 and equation 6. So, a plus b equal to 3, a minus b is equal to 1. If we add them, plus b minus b cancel, we get 2a is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to 4 upon 2, and therefore, we got the value of a as 2. Now, substitute in equation 5. Substitute in equation 5. See, what is our equation 5? A plus b equal to 3. Here, we shall substitute a equal to 2. So, 2 plus b is equal to, sorry, इधर मिस्टेक हो गया है, यहाँ पर 3 है, यहाँ पर आएगा 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. So the value of b is 1. Now we shall resubstitute the value. Resubstitute the values of a and b. Now what is a? 1 upon x minus 2. 1 upon x minus 2 equal to a means 2. 2 we can write as 2 upon 1, cross multiply it. Therefore what we get? 2x minus 4 is equal to 1. Therefore 2x is equal to 1 plus 4. Therefore 2x is equal to 5. Or we get x is equal to 5 upon 2. Next, the value of b is 1. Here substitution we have taken 1 upon y plus 3 as b. So here we get 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. 1 upon 1, cross multiply it. We get y plus 3 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 3. Or we get y is equal to minus 2. So our solution is x comma y is equal to 5 upon 2 comma minus 2. See, take question number 4. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y equal to minus 1 upon 8. See, here we shall use substitution. 1 upon 3x plus y equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to b. So our first equation will become a plus b equal to 3 upon 4. We shall give it the name equation 3. Our second equation will become a upon 2. See, in denominator 2 is there. So a upon 2 minus, here also 2 is there, b upon 2 equal to minus 1 upon 8. To remove this 2, we shall multiply this complete equation by 2. A upon 2 into 2 is a, b upon 2 into 2 is b, and 1 upon 8 into 2 is 1 upon 4, minus 1 upon 4. Now here we got a plus b, here we got a minus b. Now we shall add equation 3 and 4. Add equation 3 and 4. A plus b is 3 upon 4. A minus b minus 1 upon 4. If we add, b will get cancelled. We get 2a is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is 2 upon 4. Therefore, A is equal to 2 upon 4. On cancellation we get 1 upon 2. 2A equal to 1 upon 2. A equal to how much we get? 1 upon 2 into 2. This 2 coming to right side, it will go in denominator. So we get A is equal to 1 upon 4. We got the value of A as 1 upon 4. Now how to find the value of B? B का वैल्यू कैसा फाइंड करेंगे? Substitute in equation 3. If we substitute in equation 3, what we get? A plus B is 3 upon 4. So what we get here? 1 upon 4 plus B is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore, B will be equal to how much? Therefore, B is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4, or we get B is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 means we get B is equal to, after cancellation it becomes 1 upon 2. So we got the value of A 1 upon 4 and the value of B as 1 upon 2. Now resubstitute the value of A and B. Resubstitute the values of A and B. See, A is 1 upon 4 and the value of A is 1 upon 3x plus y. So what we get here? 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, on invertendo what we get? 3x plus y is equal to 4. Give this our equation number 4. We have finished equation number 5. Again, this B is 1 upon 3x minus y. So 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. On invertendo we get 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is our equation number 6. Now how to solve these two equations? See, 3x plus y equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. We shall add these two equations. Plus y minus y will get cancelled. So we shall write here, add equation 5 and 6. So what we get? 3x plus y is 4. 3x minus y is 2. 6x is equal to 6. So we get x is equal to 6 upon 6. So we get x is equal to 1. Now substitute in equation 5. Substitute in equation 5. 3x plus y is equal to 4. So we shall write here, y equal to 4 minus 3, or we get y equal to 1. Therefore, solution is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. Simple sum है.